Good day, everyone. Alice here from Safi Financial Network. Today is November 7th, 2022. Okay, here's the S&P 500 chart, and a daily chart is here. As we expected, price having a nice upside to 3,800 and regain 3,800 and regain SMA 50 on a daily basis. So here's the thing. Tomorrow will be a U.S. midterm election, which if Democrats win, they're gonna have a more spending on the healthcare, and they're gonna just um, put more pressure on the inflation. However, if conservatives win the election, then we should have like a balance in the US government, and spending is going to reduce just because they are not allowed Democrats to spend a dollar as they want, and dollar will have a sharp sell-off probably. But that's going to be for tomorrow. But I think tomorrow is not that important as Thursday, just because Thursday we have CPI announcement for the month of October. And CPI is very, very important just because market is estimating that we are having a better than expectation or expected CPI, and CPI is coming lower than 8.1%, or probably it's going to be less than 7.9, 7.8 or something like that, and core CPI would be less than 6.1, which I pretty doubtful about it just because I don't think even CPI is coming below the expectation. I think CPI is coming more than expectation. This is just my idea. I don't know. And no one knows exactly when number is coming out. But market is betting on a lower CPI. So if CPI is coming lower than expectation and conservatives win the election, midterm election, then we should see a month bottom here, and S&P would rally all the way up to here, probably 4,000 to 4,000, even 4,050, and that would be a pretty good upside target. But again, this box, even if you follow up my previous videos, this box is a surprise box. So this surprise box means we have a cycle here, and based on the astrology, we should have lots of surprises here. So when market is expecting something, and when that one happens, it's not going to be a surprise for market, right? So it's going to be expectation. But I believe probably we will have conservative on the election, but CPI number would be probably higher and much higher than expectation. And we should see more downside on the S&P 500 stock market, and dollar index would skyrocket to the upside. So this is my estimation, and this is my idea about the political news and about the CPI, which is macro. But do we really care about this stuff? My answer is no, because we just look at the chart and we are going to see, we are not forecasting basically, we are just talking about the probabilities, and then we should be on the right side of the setups, or on the right side of the trend. To have like a better expectation, for sure we should look at the news, but we shouldn't bet on the news beforehand just because we think or we like something to happen, then we are going to the trade just because of that assumption. So that's going to be pretty naive trading, and we are not doing that here today. So all in all, I still looking for these levels as like a as like a reversal to the downside. And just I fix my chart here. So and I should see like a reversal is happening from 38 to all the way up to 39.38. So again, this box is a cycle box, but these levels are pretty important for me just because I'm just looking for a reversal happening. I'm not sure even if we take out this pivot high, and probably we can take out this pivot high with a pierce or shadow or something like that, but that's not going to long last for a while. So end of this week and probably Thursday, that's going to be a kind of like a final bullet for the market, and that's going to be the last shot for the market to have a reversal to the downside. But again, some momentum is down. In RSI, we are again spiking up above 50%, and we are just looking to see if we get to this box again. So just give me a second. I'm gonna just massage it a bit. So again, and this box is very, very important for us, for the RSI, just because as you see, there are lots of supports and resistance are creating in this box in 60% in RSI. And also stochastic, right now we have a crossover. It's not a good signal just because it is not in overbought or oversold condition. So I basically don't care about this crossover, because this crossover is in no man's land and it can just fail in a split of second or a day. So basically, I'm just staying on the side right now. I'm just looking for another probably rally tomorrow. And right now, a future market is okay. So everything seems okay. But I'm just waiting for more downside probably next month or so. But we should see a reversal is happening. I'm not going to jump into the trade again just because I think market is going to roll over, right? All right, so let's save this and let's go to a 4 hours chart. All right, so 4 hours chart, as you see here, we are getting to very, very nice sell signal. Actually, MACD, it's pretty overbought, and stochastic is have a like this one is pretty nice rally to the upside, something like this. And when we have something like this within this longer downtrend. So we are just expecting prices coming back down probably from these levels or just a bit higher. So I'm just looking for a reversal for the stochastic to see in 4 hours chart. Probably we are heading to 38.30 on 38.82. So that's going to be a nice reversal area still. There are lots of resistance here in these areas as well. So 39.24 to 39.61, that would be the huge reversal point here for me. So I'm just looking for market just going up. As you see here, this is a very, very crazy wide range bar here and something like this. And when we have something like this in our charts, we should always pay attention, even for the bull side. Look at that. So this wide range bar pull back to the almost middle, kind of like a quarter to the wide range bar, and then off to the rally. So we are having the same setup on the other side. All right, so let's go to hourly chart. Here is the hourly chart, and as you see here, we are getting close to this resistance area, or I should say a supply area, right? So supply area is pretty close, like 38.28 to 38.63. That would be a great area for the supply side. So we are again, stochastic wise, this is a good short signal, I would say, in a smaller time frame, just because in three signals in a row, we are getting overbought condition in 1 hour, and in 4 hours short, again, we are getting the same signal. For the daily, it's not the same, so that would be ideal to see one day or two kind of upside to consolidation, and to see if this one is getting close to this area. So if this one is getting close to this area, so that would be great. Three time frame in a row is giving us sell signal. If it happens here, so we just need to wait for price action to confirm that, and then and then we are getting to the short side. All right, so that's all about it. I think I covered everything. If you like this video, please smash the like button, subscribe to our channel. We have interesting week. Just sit tight, buckle up, and lots of interesting trades are coming out down the road. Have a good evening. See you on the chart. Bye-bye.